Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll be discussing Oracubes, a tech company with 15 years of experience in software development. Their latest software is designed specifically for schools. When this software starts, the first screen appears where the user enters a username and password and clicks Submit. This opens a new screen displaying the user's picture and modules according to their access level. At the top left of the screen is the New Student module, where you can add new students. The next program is related to Accounts, which includes everything associated with accounts. It features a 4-level chart of accounts, entering opening balances and extracting opening trial balances. You can input checkbooks and print checks, input and print all types of vouchers, print all types of ledgers, extract trial balances, input creditors or debtors, and generate daily cash books and daybooks. Additionally, it allows you to generate reports for post-dated checks, details of payable amounts, and reports on amounts to be paid to various parties. There are also reports on monthly profit and loss, among other functionalities. Following that is the Challan Receive module, which enables students or their parents to pay fees by scanning barcodes. Then comes the Inquiry module. When students or their parents come for admission, all their information is fed into the system. If the admission is successful, an admission Challan is generated. Otherwise, the information is used for follow-up phone calls and various analysis reports. The Add New Inquiry button is used to create a new inquiry, while the Edit Inquiry button opens the selected inquiry for editing. If parents agree to enroll their child in the school, an admission Challan can be created from here. By default, the fee amount in the Challan is based on the information provided in the new inquiry. The admission Challan can also be printed from here. Return to the dashboard. To view inquiries for a specific date, enter the date and click Refresh. For more precise inquiries, provide the student's name or inquiry number or father's name or class or branch or a combination of this information. Finally, inquiry reports can be generated by providing the start and end dates. The Student module manages all operations related to existing students, such as fees ledger, tax certificates, to whom it may concern, leaving certificates, character certificates, final settlements, student cards, admission orders, student transfers, and more. Open the Student dashboard here. Select a student manually or search by student ID, name, father's name, family code, or old student ID. Once selected, another screen will open. View the student's personal and office information, fee schedule, monthly or annual payments, Challan and payment status, lastly log having all the history student changes in system. Let's discuss the Challan module. This module allows us to generate various Challan-related reports, create new Challans, and generate a Challan for a single student. We can also generate Challans for an entire class or even the whole school in one go, and print them as needed. You can find a student's data and view all their Challans by entering their name or ID or old ID or name or surname or father's name or family code or a combination of these details. After entering the information, click Refresh Student for student information and refresh Challan for Challan. This also enables various operations on Challans. For example, to print a specific Challan, select it and click Print Challan. You can also print all Challans at once by click Print All Challans or Print Unpaid Challans. Additionally, you can generate reports on unpaid Challans from here. Beyond this, you can generate defaulter reports, annual defaulter reports, daily receive reports, branch fee receive reports, and bank receive reports. The Configuration module lets you create new users and define their access levels. The CEO module provides reports on profit and loss, new admissions, total students, admission details, fee collection, and overall school information for the CEO. This final screen is used to change the status of any student, for example, from active to inactive or inactive to active.